Okay, for the tabletop march, what we're going to start with is making sure our deep abdominals are activated. So we're going to put our fingers just inside our hip bones and tightening those muscles. They are the same ones that you tighten subconsciously when you cough or laugh. So you can always fake a cough or laugh to check if you're activating the right ones. So we're going to keep that transverse abdominis, that deep core tight, and then we're going to press our back flat into the ground and keep it there the whole time. So once our core is tight and our back is flat, our legs are going to come up to a 90 degrees or a tabletop. This is our quote unquote resting position. Now you're going to bring one leg down, tapping your heel to the ground and coming up, and then switching, making sure my core stays tight and my back stays flat the entire time. As you get stronger, you can progress this. The further out your legs go, the harder it gets. So I can start straightening my legs and adding to that challenge. Make sure as you're doing this that you're also not holding your breath.